All right, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully the wing is not that bad. Here's the Road Glide 2009. You guys haven't seen it in the channel for a while because it was broken. It was actually leaking gas pretty bad. So I just want to give you kind of like a walk around. And then I'm going to show you where it was leaking gas from. And, you know, big shout out to Mohawk. He actually fixed it. Let me tell you something. Sometimes playing mechanic is not the best thing to do. So I was actually attempted to fix it and it didn't work out. I actually damaged a little bit more than what I was supposed to do. So I actually did some damage. I actually didn't fix anything, but Mohawk kind of stepped up and he fixed the gas. At one point, there was so much gas coming out that it was just ridiculous, like really, really bad. So again, he did a pretty awesome job. The bike is back in full status, so I should be able to utilize it more. Big shout out to little brother. He got me a gift card. I bought myself another Harley Davidson hat. By the way, Harley, if you ever watch this video, ridiculous. 40 bucks for a hat. I mean, I had a $25 gift card, but if it wouldn't be because of that, it's kind of hard to pay 40 bucks for a hat, buddy. But anyways, here's the bike. Let me give you a closer look. This thing is so dirty, it's freaking ridiculous. But if you haven't watched this bike, this is my 2009 Road Glide, and I love it. I just finished putting the 21-inch on my Road King, which Mohawk did as well. I'm going to show you guys that later on. But again, this is going to be the 2009. This bike is awesome, really, really cool, rides really well, and it's pretty much my main workhorse. It's kind of what I'm going to be riding the most, primarily because, you know, putting the 21 fishtails and putting so many things on my Road King, I just, you know, I don't want to take it all over the place, right? That ring was way too much money, so I use this a lot. By the way, this thing is really more comfortable than the Road King to ride too, and you guys know I have back issues. But here it is. So essentially I was leaking fuel from the check valve down here, and you kind of see here the disconnector right there. I was leaking fuel from there. Mohawk switched this spot, and actually I tried to remove one of the gaskets, and you know, one of the mechanics was telling me that I could remove the gasket, replace it, and I did that, and it really didn't work out that good. What I did was that I messed up the hose and all that. So again, here is, you know, the valve where it was leaking right there, giving you a closer look. It's a really, I guess, a common problem. It happens all the time. There is a lot of videos here on YouTube on how to fix them and all that. Again, I tried to do it myself, but I kind of messed it up a little bit, and then I was like, you know what, it's over. It's time to take it back to Mohawk, let him fix it. Well, now the bike is running fantastic. I'm actually here on Kohl's because I have to return a package that I got from Amazon, and again, I have to return it, and here's the bike back here. So happy to have the bike back. I'm going to tell you, really, really happy. Here's a closer look from this side. I mean, I'm digging it. I really not planning to do anything else to this bike. I really not. You know, this bike for me, it's just a bike that I ride, right? So again, the bars right here has been something that I say I don't like because it's 1-inch bars, so the cables are not in the inside or anything like that. But you know what? I really don't care. I like the apes. They feel good. And the little issues that I have with the bikes, they're just going to stay that way because primarily I just want to ride it. One of the things that a lot of times people, you know, kind of like get sidetracked is like building the bike, and you build a bike for so long that you forget to ride your bike. I'm not doing that. I'm going to ride this bike. I have the Road King to build and play around. This is for me to ride. But again, very, very happy. So the bike is back. So hopefully we're going to do more videos. If you guys haven't seen me here in the community a lot, it's because I've been working on all the videos, all the projects. This is not the only project that I have. But I do enjoy this project more than any of the other ones that I do. The motorcycle channel is the one that I enjoy the most. Let me know what you think. Definitely subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, God is in control.